Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use YearoftheOx on Instagram stories. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. This year is the Year of the Ox, and Instagram has brought ox stickers that you can add in your story as you celebrate the Lunar New Year. Let's see how to use this sticker. To begin, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. You can capture a photo, or you can choose a photo from your gallery. I am gonna take a picture to cover up it with a color. Go to the marker tool from the top. Then press and hold on the screen to make a solid color background. Then press done from the top right corner. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see 3 different ox stickers. If you do not see it, you need to update your Instagram app. Tap any of it. Your followers will see this story collected with others that have this sticker. You can position the sticker wherever you would like them to appear on your story. If you want to add more stickers, again go to Sticker and select. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So in this way, you can use YearoftheOx on Instagram stories. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.